Hello friend, this is from Carwell Machinery Technology Company in China. For this video, I would like to make a test for the vacuum function of the new finished 400 liters model needle mixer for spin client. And now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. Before the vacuum pump started, we have to fasten the 4 bonds on the 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and check the valves on the top lid. Keep this vacuum release valve closed and this vacuum clearance valve opened. It is connected the same direction with the pipe, and keep this liquid material feeding valve closed. And then we check the buffer tank between the top lid and the vacuum pump. Guarantee the waste discharging valve closed. And very important is that we must keep the material discharging port valve closed. And then we can start the vacuum pump. Okay. I release the emergency stop button. This is the vacuum pump on and the vacuum pump off. Start it. And then we check the vacuum meter. You can see from the meter that the vacuum degree is increasing now. Now the vacuum degree has reached the 0.08, and I would like you to see the vacuum pump system. This is the vacuum pump system, a very good quality one, with low noise and strong power. No problem working smoothly. And now the degree has about 0.08. So it is increasing. However, at the final stage, it will be some slow. We just keep with some patience. Now it has reached the 0.09 and continuously increasing. And now it has reached the degree 0.095 and above it. And also I would like to wait a while to check the final situation of the vacuum capacity. It seems that it is continuously increasing, however very slow. It has reached our design degree. So I close the valve and then close the vacuum pump. Okay. This is valve. I close it and stop the vacuum pump and check the degree. No change for the vacuum meter degree, no change. And also no leakage voice from the shaft sealing package, no leakage voice. And also the vacuum meter keeps the vacuum degree well. And we check this side. Also no voice, no leakage. Let's check around to see it. No problem. So this is a good performance for the mixer vacuum. And we check the vacuum meter again. Also no change. So this is no problem for the vacuum system design of this new finished 400 liters model meter mixer. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact for more information. This is from Carvel Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.